Say, man, what it is. It's Ty C. What I need you to do for me is LSC. Like, share, comment this video right here so we can creep into it, boy. And y'all already see how these coming. These things looking straight. What? Beat it them beat. You already know what I do. Turn these joints bad looking neater than neat. You hear me? Quick little recap what we did. Deep cleaned the entire shoe. Once that was all dry, went ahead, did something y'all let us see. And I let it do. When they icing them bottoms, man. So without further ado, what you wait for? Let's turn these joints looking beater than beat. Bad looking neater than neat, man. First thing we're gonna do is start removing these shoelaces. Then we're gonna go ahead and start removing these insoles and prepare yourselves, cause God damn! Now this right here will separate me from the rest, cause detail work is key. And that's why I'm Mr. Beater than beat, bad looking neater than neat. So go ahead, we're gonna vacuum out that insole. Then for some more detail work, pulled out a fabric saver. That there is gonna grab that hair, that lint, anything else stuck that the vacuum ain't get. So once the shoe knocked out, we're gonna repeat the same steps with that insole. Say, what one won't do, another will. Best believe it. That's why I got that lint roller. Alright, listen, y'all better prepare yourselves again, cause God damn! So now we're gonna go ahead and get ready for the deep clean. So go ahead and adjust your adjustable shoe cheek to the correct sizing and get ready for the solution. Now grab a container, some warm water, and whatever cleaning solution that you prefer. First we're gonna start off with the soft suede bristle brush to lather the shoe to break down any loose dirt and get the scrubber dub. Man, when I say detail work, I'm talking about detail work, man. Clean the inside of y'all joints, man. Feet smelling like who did what and why for no reason. Then we're gonna skip the all-purpose stiff bristle brush and go straight to the wide brush to deep clean that outsole. Now repeat them same steps with that insole. Man, I already know what y'all thinking. Where his gloves? 'Cause look good. Let me stop playing, because I know y'all got some weak stomachs, boy. And cuz you better not forget them laces, man, because laces need love too. Now, I ain't no carpet cleaner, but man, y'all gonna make me open a carpet cleaner business after these before and after. I'm trying to tell you. Now we gonna start taping off them traction pods as well as that carbon fiber plate. Then we're gonna cut off any excess of the tape around the traction pod with either an X-Acto knife, box cutter, your fingernail, anything to get them clean edges. And make sure y'all don't cut too deep and though cutting into that midsole. Make sure to only cut the layer of the tape. Once taped up, we're going to apply one decent layer of the 40 volume cream to start icing these bottles. For the midsole, this works for all 11s with a white midsole as well as 4s. Also works on Air Forces. Apply some of that 40 volume as well for that brighter midsole. Then we're gonna wrap the bottom with some clean wrap. We're gonna place in our indoor setup. Now I let these sit for about 5 days in the ice box each night, applying a new layer of that 40 volume cream. That way it's not dried up. Depending on how bad your bottoms is, how yellow they is, you're gonna need multiple sessions. And this here's the end result. So y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well, because I got more in-depth deep cleans, restorations, customizations coming for y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all chin up, chest out. It's forever love.